Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn the basics of the Advanced Encryption Standard, also called AES. AES breaks a message into small blocks called the state. Each state is a 4x4 grid of bytes. Think of it like a message box with 16 slots. AES uses a secret key to scramble the state. There are three common key sizes. AES 128 uses 10 rounds, AES 192 uses 12 rounds, and AES 256 uses 14 rounds. In each round, AES performs four main steps: subbytes, shift rows, mixed columns, and add key. Let's visualize each step. Now, let's build a tiny example using a 2x2 grid. Our initial state is 1, 2, 3, 4. We place them into a small grid. Step 1 is subbytes. We will use a simple rule: add 5 to every number. So 1 becomes 6, 2 becomes 7, 3 becomes 8, and 4 becomes 9. Step 2 is shift rows. The bottom row slides left by one position, so 7 and 9 swap places. Step 3 is add key. We add a key value of 10 to every slot, so the new grid becomes 16, 18, 19, and 17. After one symbol round, the original message 1, 2, 3 has changed into 16, 19, 18, and 17. Real AES repeats this process 10 to 14 times with stronger math, making it extremely secure.